There's the CN Tower, guys. Oh, sorry. I allowed my my camera to charge up a little bit. Yeah, and now you can see, yeah, the CN Tower. Look at that. Really quickly, I hope my camera doesn't go out, but there are some people, kayakers in the water. By the way, my battery ran out back then when I was showing you guys the pebbles, so it can run out at any moment again. So anyway, the CN Tower, yep, that's the tower that's, I was there when I was a child with my family, and they have like many other, there have been so many updates, you know, like they have a glass floor, like the pictures that I